What's up, everybody? Woo, we got something today. I got the part that I was waiting for. Servo buddy from Heel Tech. Good luck finding this, just so you know. You go on like Moto Million for it. You go on all the websites that I found. You can't find it. The way I found one was going through. There was one in the UK that was available. So I went to my local shop and I was like, hey, are you able to get this? And they're like, oh, we're a dealer for Heel Tech. So I was like, all right. So they looked it up. And this is the part where I made reference to that they were closed for a holiday, whatever it was, right? So they didn't open up till the 15th. I had them order it, I believe it was the 16th. And then I just got it today. So I'm putting it on. We're putting it on. It's a work day. You know, I gotta go to work in the morning. I don't care. I'm gonna put it on. We're putting it on today. All right. I mean, I can't wait to put it on. So the exhaust that I went with. All right. Everybody does SC projects, and nothing against SC projects. They're phenomenal exhaust. Little pricey, but they are. I mean, their name is what it is for a reason, right? So, but I didn't want to do that. There is one other YouTuber guy that I watch from time to time, Will Kid Hill, and he put one of what I wanted on. So, what I got was the Arrow. Now, this is the slip-on. Right now, that's all I'm doing. I did get the Arrow slip-on because I wanted, if I want to add to it, I want to do the full exhaust, I can do it through Arrow. I don't know if SC Projects does a full exhaust for the R, but I do know the Arrow does. I know Apokovich does. So I went with Arrow. And I feel like it's just a clean look. So, got it here. This is it. Obviously, I went with the titanium. I don't think they actually offer this in anything but the titanium. So this is the piece. This is what I went with. It's beautiful. It's light. I feel like it's gonna match up well with the bike. So this is what we're gonna put on. Now shouldn't be that difficult, right? It's a slip-on. I think the biggest pain in the butt part's going to be probably trying to get that servo motor out of there. But we're going to do it. So, needless to say, rather than... let's go ahead and move that. Rather than... it's not tracking. There we go. Rather than fart around, I did ride it today, so let's get it done. That's what I'm doing. We're getting it done. Do not attempt to install the product if you don't have basic mechanical skills. Heel Tech Electronics and its distributors shall not be liable for any loss or damage. Okay. Locate the stock exhaust servo motor. Got it. Unplug the connector and remove the servo motor. Got it. Plug the ESC module into the wiring harness connectors. Got it. Okay. On certain bike models, the FI light may still be on after installing the product. Take a short ride 3 times. On the next power up, the FI light should stay off. On select Aprilia and MV Augusta models, yeah, we don't need to worry about that because that ain't this. So let's go ahead and we're going to take the belly off. The belly needs to be off. It doesn't need to be off. Let me rephrase that. We're taking the belly off so I don't mess up anything. For anybody that don't know, when you're taking off this R, these clips are so, like, they're tight. They are tight. I watched one of these guys on YouTube. He tried to take one half off. He was unsuccessful and broke clips. So when he was doing it, I was screaming at the YouTube video like, no, just take it all off, because he tried to take off one side. And the clips that are in here, it's gonna be hard to see that. Let's see. These clips that are in here, they are on there tight, especially back here. It's gonna be trying to hard to find. But these clips in here are, you need to take it off completely like this, take all of the pieces out, which I'm not doing because I had to take off the one side that was scratched. So you take off all the rivet, you know, all these pops, snap rivets, and then you pop it out. Then you can manually adjust it, and it does not come off easy at all, not even a little. So I like to do all my work on my bikes, even if it's something I don't know 100%. I feel like I've been taken for a ride a few times, and with some things, you know, it's just better for you to do it yourself. It really is. You take less of a chance, even though if it's something that you're not 100% aware of what you're doing. You know, do a little research, whatnot. You know, figure it out. I promise that it's less of a hassle to go into these dealerships and boy, them taking you for a ride, unless it's somebody that you trust. If it's someone you trust, great. You know what? I should probably be showing you this, right? A little bit. So this is sitting like this. We had a 8mm bolt here. This is your wiring. It's tucked in. This is what we're taking out. We don't want this no more. We don't want it. Get off. This will be where we put this. Ta-da! No more servo. Well, at least almost no more servo. We gotta get this off. All right, we're gonna try to take this off. See what happens here. We have another one back here. All right, let's. Okay, well, let's take this one off. What do you think? Doesn't want to come off. Okay. If I can get some slack. There we go. That one's done. I should have given it enough slack. I could pull it. And it did. one's out. Servo's gone. Servo's gone. At this moment, we're gonna disengage. I forgot about servo line. I don't know how big of a nightmare that's gonna be. Do not want to scratch this. So, trying to see where. Okay, well, we see it. This little, is that a magnet? We got one. We got be easy. Be easy. We got two. We got one. We got two. That there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been disengaged. All right, we're gonna keep it over here out of the way because it will get wrapped and put away. I am pretty sure that there's a bracket in here. Comes with a silencer. We don't need that. You have to unbolt this. We're gonna put this, it's gonna mount here, and then it's gonna be able to mount to that clip. So, all right. So that. Let's try tightening this part up a little bit. Get all the fingerprints off. All right. It's time for the sound check. Woo, woo. It's time. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we got the loud, isn't it? Be in the video over here. Oh. Yes, it's loud. Could you hear it?
No.
No?
No,
Yeah,
no.
it's pretty quiet. Yeah. 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 Now I gotta put this back together. All right, everybody. It's done. Put back together. It sounds amazing. I think I should go for a ride. It's late. I gotta work tomorrow. Who cares, right? Who cares? You live once. Let's do it. Anyways, I'll finish this up. It's really not that big a deal. About an hour or so, like taking everything apart, like how I took it apart, taking everything apart. I was just being gentle with it because I don't want to crack any tabs or break any, snap anything off. So I took everything off. I didn't probably need to do that. Could have just dropped off the one side and I've been able to maneuver it to get around, but rather than take the chance of scratching it, I thought it was just easier to just take it all apart. So it's apart, and let's see here. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. I like it. Sounds really good. I'm gonna take it, rip it around a block. But man, it looks good. It looks good. Absolutely beautiful. So let's see, so yeah, it's done. Let's take it around a block.